안녕, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make cucumber kimchi, 오이 kimchi. Fresh and crunchy cucumber is in season and this is the perfect time to make cucumber kimchi. It's pretty easy to make and you don't have to wait until it's fermented. You can make this in an hour and it's much easier than making cabbage kimchi. So if you're interested in Korean kimchi but you are afraid to make it, then cucumber kimchi could be your first kimchi. It's the basic level. Okay, then let's set the table. First, let's wash the cucumbers. Wash them in cold water and rub with coarse salt. It can remove the dust between the bump. Then wash them well again. After that, cut them in 7 cm, 3 inches long. Then cut them in quarters lengthwise. When it's done, prepare the salt. I recommend you to use natural sea salt or kosher salt when you make kimchi. It's coarser than normal salt and especially natural sea salt has a high mineral content which helps to ferment well. Put cucumbers in a large bowl and sprinkle with salt. Mix them gently. Let them sit for 15 minutes and then turn them over to be salted evenly. After that, let them sit another 15 minutes. So we have to wait totally 30 minutes. During the time, cut the chives into similar size with cucumber and slice the onion thinly. Then let's go back to the cucumber. Rinse the cucumber in cold water a couple of times to remove excess salt. Drain well. Preparation is over. Let's mix. In a large bowl, put cucumbers, chives, and onions. Then add red pepper flakes, vinegar, fish sauce, and minced garlic. Toss it gently. I recommend you to use rubber gloves. It's very painful when you have a scar on your hands because of the red pepper flakes. Okay, it's done. Serve immediately as a side dish or put the leftovers in the food container and keep in the refrigerator. If you prefer it to be more fermented, then let the container sit at the room temperature for 1 to 2 days. It's gonna taste and smell sour. Then put them into the fridge and you can keep this a few weeks in the fridge. Okay, so I prepared the rice, beef and radish soup, and 2 kinds of cucumber kimchi. This one is made 2 days ago. It was fermented for 12 hours in room temperature, and I kept this in the fridge for 2 days. And this one is just I made today. Let me taste. Okay, first, fresh one. Yeah, it's very fresh and crunch. I can taste all the flavors of ingredients that I put in. So good. Okay, then let's try fermented one. It's still very crunch and all the flavors are balanced well. And the coulis stimulates my appetite. So good. If you're asking which one is better, then I will choose a fermented one. It tastes deeper. But you know, everyone has different tastes, so you can choose. Today I made oyi kimchi. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.